cut up, man. Cut up some traffic. I gotta get my mid price.
Who is Sharonda?
Sharonda?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me call you back. What are you talking about? Sharonda?
Mm-hmm. Who is she?
I don't know no Sharonda. That sounds like my cousin.
So you be kissing up on your cousin in public?
Kissing up on my cousin in public? What I look like? Alabama? At my cousin, man. That's how we so low down south, man. You come on with all that. Every single day you want to accuse me of cheating. You want to accuse me with somebody else, bro. That's my damn cousin, bro. Going on with all that, man. No, man. That's Sharonda. That's Sharonda on Wilkerson. That's my second blood cousin. That's some kissing on my, come on, all that, you know, who that, yeah, man. You got like I kissed on the mouth or something.
The hit dog gonna holler because why is you yelling?
I hit dog gonna holler. I hit dog gonna holler, bro. Every single day you want to accuse me of something. What do you be doing? What do you be doing? I ain't got time about all that, bro.